Here at EventCover Education, we're partners with Heart of Worcestershire College, and we're based at the NEC, which is just by Birmingham Airport. We run training programs that get people qualifications and help them go into work. This all focuses in and around the events industry. The Heart of Worcestershire College Apprenticeship scheme is a fantastic scheme. Students come into the classroom 1 day a week for their theory, but the rest of the week is spent on the job learning.
The reason why I chose the college and EventCover to do the apprenticeship is because they were the best in the area at the time, and it was much more structured than the other ones that I had spoken to. So I had spoken to other ones and they seemed to be, they'd done it for a very long time, and this was a brand new thing. The
sector-based work academies are an opportunity for adults to gain qualifications and employment. During the course, they'll pick up qualifications in security and stewarding, they'll meet different employers, and they'll get work experience, which gives them an opportunity to really get a feel for the industry before they progress into employment.
Why would we use a non-restrictive technique? So the person get out of it, we don't want to hurt the person. The straight arm support, so one hand slides down, other hand slides up. So you've got good support on the shoulder in case the customer becomes drunken and leans forward. Lean forward. There you are, we've got a good support on his shoulder.
We try to make our training as practical as possible. This not only makes it more enjoyable for the students, but allows them to really practice their techniques. We follow this up with theory to reinforce their learning.
And see the step back, always stepping back, creating that distance.
As part of the programme, we'll take them into the different arenas where they'll be able to apply their skills and help set up various sets and stages.
Okay, we'll see on the truss here, we've got it's numbered, so we need to make sure that those numbers are lined up. So we're going to put the washers on, bolt it by hand, yeah, so make it hand tight, okay, and then we can tighten it, all being well, with the adjustable spanner.
Part of our crewing programme, we'll see students learning how to assemble truss safely. They'll learn how to use equipment such as ratchet straps, and they'll also learn how to tie knots. These are skills that they can then apply to the rigging industry.
Teamwork was a massive part of it because of all the events that we did. We had to work as a team, so to be successful you need to be able to work in a team very well. And also the communication skills, it's about communicating with each other as well. So teamwork and communication, I say, is the biggest skills you need. Obviously, if you don't have very good ones, I mean, some people that joined, including myself, weren't exactly the best at it, but as you progress and do it, you enhance those skills, and by the end of it, you should be very good at working in a team and communicating with other people in teams.